Hi everyone. Today I'm showing you how to calculate area from an AutoCAD drawing using a data extraction tool. This method saves you time and helps you avoid errors that come with manual measurements. I'm breaking this down without any confusion. We'll start by accessing the platform and getting the files you need. To access the KMC data extraction tool, type simonsquare.in in your browser's address bar. Wait for the Simon Square homepage to load completely. Click on the Explore Features button to view available tools. Scroll down to locate the Features section and click on KMC Data Extraction. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation data page will open with different options. Click on the Sanction card to access the building sanction tools. Select Single Building since we're working with a single block building project. The KMC data extraction interface for single building projects is now ready to use. Click on Full Instructions to get the detailed setup guide and download the template file. Hit Download File to get the data extraction template that we'll use in AutoCAD. Choose where you want to save this template file. Close this instruction window. Since we now have everything we need to proceed, you have successfully downloaded the data extraction template and are ready to begin. Let's go to the next step. To prepare the AutoCAD drawing layers, start by opening AutoCAD. Once AutoCAD opens with your drawing loaded, you're ready to begin. First, save your work by pressing Ctrl+S to ensure you don't lose any progress. Open the Layer Properties Manager and select all layers except those in the KMC group. Then turn off these selected layers to isolate only the KMC relevant elements. Filter the display to show only KMC layers. Select all the filtered layers and close the Layer Properties Manager to complete the layer preparation. Type Data Extraction in the command line and press Enter to launch the data extraction wizard. Select Edit an existing data extraction, then browse for and select the KMC data extraction template file from your desktop. Click Next to proceed to the next step. When the File Not Found warning appears, click Continue Updating Table to proceed. On the Define Data Source page, remove the existing drawing source by selecting and deleting it. Click the Select Objects in the Current Drawing button and select all the visible objects on your canvas. Click Next to move forward. Continue by clicking Next on the Select Objects page. Click Next on the Select Properties page to keep the default property settings. Click Next on the Refine Data page to proceed with the current data configuration. On this output page, select Output Data to External File. Then browse to your desktop and give the file a descriptive name like your project reference. Click Next to proceed to the final step. Hit Finish to complete the data extraction process. You'll see a confirmation message in the command line confirming your external file was created successfully. Now let's head back to the web browser to upload this data. We have successfully extracted all the area data from AutoCAD and generated our output file. Let's go to the next step, which is to analyze the data on the Simon Square platform. To upload and verify the extracted data, click here to browse for your file, navigate to your desktop, and select the Excel file that was generated from AutoCAD. Once uploaded, the system automatically loads and displays all the extracted data from your Excel file in this table format, showing wrong layer properties in red color, which are need to be correction, and yellow color is just to show the duplicate rows. It's not wrong. Click this Check Errors button to validate your data against KMC building standards and identify any potential issues. The error messages pop-up shows any validation issues found in your data. Scroll through this list to see all detected problems that need attention. Click on specific error messages, like this one for row 2, to get detailed information about what needs to be corrected in your drawing. Run the error check again to see if there are additional validation issues that require your attention. Let's start by clicking on the Layer Tables tab to review the raw data from each layer. Here you can see individual tables for each layer that was uploaded from your CAD drawing, showing all the extracted geometric data. Click on the Filtered Tables tab to view the processed data according to KMC standards. A parameter notice appears with some error. Please check those and correct. The Filtered Tables view now shows data that has been categorized and processed for compliance checking. Click on the Floor Area Table tab to examine the calculated floor areas for each level of your building. Head over to the Parking tab to review parking space calculations and compliance with KMC parking requirements. Finally, click the Occupancy tab to view occupancy classifications and related area calculations for your project. Click on the Proxed to Final Summary below to view your calculated results. Then hit the Update Values button to update any data. An update dialog will appear asking you to confirm the values calculation. Click Update or Cancel for now. You'll see the final summary table populate with all your calculated area data according to KMC standards. When you're done reviewing the data, click the Home tab to return to the main page. Click Clear Data to reset the tool for your next project. And that's how you extract and calculate building areas for KMC submissions using this automated workflow. And that's it for analyzing your data on the platform. You now know how to pull area calculations straight from your AutoCAD drawings. Hope this makes your workflow a bit easier.